Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty for the Win. Today I want to show you the quickest and most simple way to cut your hair at home. So during these times of COVID-19, I know a lot of you are missing your hairdresser. You want your hair cut, or you just want to cut those little ends off because they're getting scraggly and they're getting split ends and all that kind of stuff. Well, this is the best way. If you're someone that has layers in your hair, that would be a different situation. So this video may not be for you, but if you want your hair straight across, this is perfect. So part your hair like you normally would. This is how I part my hair. Whether it's even or not, I mean, it's just how you wear your hair. If you wear your hair, like if you part it here, if you part it there, it doesn't matter because you're going to be wearing your hair straight down. Okay, so part your hair how you usually would. Take your two sections just like this, and you're going to bring them together underneath your chin. Make sure you get every single hair, even the back. Okay? And then you're going to bring it all together under your chin, like I said, and tie it in an elastic, okay? Something I did forget to tell you guys at the beginning of this video. The best results of getting that straight cut, you want to make sure your ends are wet. My ends are wet right now. Okay, so make sure you wet your ends. It doesn't matter if it's warm, cold, just make sure your ends are wet. That's gonna help with that straight cut. So I already have my hair cut, but I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit more so you can understand, okay? So take your two fingers like this, go like that, straighten it out, okay? Here we go. So just like that, you're gonna take your scissors and you're gonna cut those ends as straight as you possibly can, okay? There. Now, the final reveal, we're gonna take our elastic off and your ends are pretty straight. So it's as simple as that. After you do this, it's gonna really help with hair regrowth and your hair is going to feel a lot softer on the ends. There's gonna be a lot less split ends. Make sure that you use a hair serum or an oil on the ends after doing this, and that'll really help as well. So I hope this video really helped you guys. If it did, please leave a comment. I'd love to know what you think, as well as subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.